Welcome back to another video. Sorry if it's kind of hard to hear, the AC's on, but let me get outside real quick. Okay, so I just got off of work about 45 minutes ago. And I had to move my Grand Prix from behind the shed because the neighbors back here complained, and I guess instead of calling the cops, instead of coming and talking to us, they just skipped that step and called the cops. So we aren't really too fond of them anymore, but I just have to turn it off. And hopefully it'll start back up next time if I need to move it. But battery was dead, so I had to jump it real quick. And so yeah, that's that. So we've got a little beef going on with our neighbors, I guess. We're probably gonna put up a privacy fence because now we feel like they're gonna be like those neighbors. Oh God, we feel like they're gonna be those neighbors and just like call the cops on anything that they see that they don't like in our yard. So we don't like the sound of that. We'd rather avoid it than make it worse. But in today's video, I got something in the mail. I got two somethings. I'm very excited about these two somethings. I'm sure by the title you can tell what they are. I don't know if that's a good angle or not at all, but I'm sure you guys can tell what they are. But if not, ooh, look at that. So I got a duckbill spoiler. So there's that there. I'm gonna turn off the AC. Okay, just in case you guys couldn't hear me, I'm gonna repeat myself. I got this carbon fiber duckbill spoiler. It's just an eBay spoiler, but I got that in the mail. That thing was not supposed to be here until the 23rd of next month, so June 23rd, and it arrived yesterday, May 27th. So that caught me way off guard when it showed up. And then I also got this here, which, yes, I kind of cheated. I didn't unbox them on camera for you guys. I was too excited because these are like my first real mods for the Mercedes, because the other two have just been vinyl wrapping the chrome and painting the grille, and those aren't real mods. It changes the look of the car for sure, but like they're not real mods. Like these, even this isn't really a real mod. I thought it would just complement the spoiler, but this goes on the back windshield, just behind the roof line, so it's a roof spoiler technically. Carbon fiber print. I think that looks pretty good. So it looks pretty decent for $35 off of eBay. Carbon fiber print. Same with this. I don't know if it looked black when I held it up the first time, but it is carbon fiber print as well. I can tell it's just like regular plastic. It's obviously not real carbon fiber. But I feel like it's going to be a real short video because while they do offer you places to screw it onto the trunk, they also, wherever I put it, they also sent 3M tape with it, and so I'm just going to 3M tape it on, and then obviously this side already has it pre-installed. I mean, this one already has it pre-installed, so that one also just 3M tapes on. So I feel like they'll both be really easy installation. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a real short video, but I do have to wait until tomorrow to install them, as I have to get ready for my second job. But I have, my morning is open tomorrow morning, so I'll have to get back to you guys then. So until then, I'll see you later. It'll be 2 seconds for you, but full day for me. You know what? Actually, I am a liar. I lied to you guys. I apologize, but I don't have time to install it. But what I do have time for is to kind of give you a glimpse at what it'll look like, because it does sit on there pretty well. I already looked at it last night, but it was pitch black out. So it's like I didn't really get a good idea of what it looks like on here, but the fitment is honestly really good. Like, look at this. For a cheap eBay spoiler, boom, there's the fitment on that side. There's the fitment on that side. Like that. Sorry if there's wind noise, but that is killer fitment for 150 bucks for a carbon fiber spoiler. Shit, I'll take it. Look at that. I think it gives a real good profile to the back now. Like, ooh, oh man. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm really excited to get this on tomorrow. But there you go, a little sneak peek. That's a little dark, but whatever. The reason I went with this one is honestly just because of these, like, I don't know, teeth or whatever. I really liked this, like how this looked from just a straight on rear end shot. So yeah, but man, I'm excited. Okay, now I'll see you guys tomorrow. Should I do this again? No. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, it's the next day. Oh gosh, today's a mess. It's raining. I have probably like a 15-minute window to get this done. I'm exhausted. I didn't feel like changing for you guys, but I'm still bringing you a video. I'm determined to do that today. So I have everything sitting right here. This is gonna seem rushed. I'm already gonna apologize for that. Because like I said, it's been raining all day. I have like probably a 10-15 minute window. So I'm gonna wipe down the car because it's wet. So I'm gonna wipe down the car, dry it off, clean it up, and then it should be really simple. I'm probably gonna set you up. I also lost the tripod, so I don't know where that's at. So I'm probably gonna set you guys up on top of the Grand Prix, facing, well, the car, because why would I face you any other way? Alright, so overall not bad. As far as like a first real mod for my car goes, I'd say it looks pretty good. I had a bigger window than I expected, so I rushed a little too much for kind of no reason, and it shows just a little on the spoiler. We have a very tiny gap here, and on this side we've got no gap, and so I could have taken a little extra time to align it better. Same with this over here. This one was a little difficult to judge. I just lined up this one and prayed that it lined up on the other side, because I had to curve it as I laid it down, and I ended up being pretty far off on that side. But overall not bad. It is just 3M tape, so if it really bugs me, I can heat gun it, pull it back up, re-stick it. I don't think the spoiler will bother me that much, but the roof spoiler I might actually go back and do again at some point. But damn, that is good. That I like that. I like that a lot. Alright, so I don't really know why I didn't just conclude the video in the last clip, because I really don't have anything else to say. I mean, I stuck it on, and that's that. It's on there. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to continue and see what's coming up next, which I can give you a little sneak peek at. So there's that. It'll be on the rear. So if you can figure out what it'll be, I don't know, kudos to you. So if you want to see that video, subscribe, I guess. Subscribe, or just keep an eye out for it. Either way, I'll catch you guys in that video. Peace.
Soldier.